OP-13 box set, they release a new set of manga cards. So there's actually like 6 manga rare card in this set. The usual manga rares, Luffy, Sabo, and Ace, and they added like a red colored, red plated manga rares. Red, okay? It's like ruby color manga rare. It's just very, very nice. So we're looking to pull one of those